Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. One of the subscribers had asked me for a recipe for simple tamarind rice. Earlier I had uploaded the recipe for Pulikachal paste or Pulihora paste, which you can make and store in the fridge for a long time. It's a slightly longer process. So I said, why not I make it simple so that you can just make it at a very short notice. So for making that, I have taken first 1 cup of rice. I have cooked it with 2 cups of water and just allowed it to cool like this, and the grain should be separate. It should not become mushy. Now to this rice add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of oil and salt to taste, and keep it aside. Now let us get ready with the other preparations. So first heat a kadai and dry roast 1 tablespoon of sesame or til seeds and 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds or dhania seeds. We'll just dry roast them together for a couple of minutes. See, now they have been well roasted. Switch it off and just allow it to cool. When cool, we'll make it into a powder. So this is ready. Next, in the same kadai, heat another 2 tablespoons of oil. To this oil, we are going to add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of Urad Dal, 1 teaspoon of Channa Dal, a few dry red chillies, and these are 2 green chillies which I have taken and slit, and also a small fistful of peanuts and some curry leaves. Saute them all together. Now the curry leaves are crisp, the dals and peanuts are also well roasted. Add about half a teaspoon of Hing. Hing is asafoetida. Again mix it. Now this is Tamarind Pulp which I have taken, the ready-made Tamarind Paste which you get in the stores. 1 heaped teaspoon I have taken. Add that also. Mix it all together very well and add in little bit of water, about 1/4 cup. And just let it come to a boil. So while that is thickening, in those 2-3 minutes, let us powder these ingredients. See, now it has thickened well. We have already added salt to the rice, so just a little bit of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of salt you can add to that. And here I am adding a small bit of jaggery just to balance the taste. If you don't want to add the jaggery, you can omit it. No problem. Mix it all together. Switch it off. Now we are ready to make the simple, easy tamarind rice. All you have to do is pour this into your rice which we have added salt, oil and turmeric powder. And this powder need not be very fine. It can be slightly coarse. Add that also. And mix it all together very well so that the tastes are very blended throughout the rice. Now we have mixed it thoroughly and the taste is well blended. This is a very simple and easy recipe to prepare. Very tasty too. This simple tamarind rice. I am sure you are going to enjoy it. You can eat it as such, and it's also good if you carry it in your lunch box. In fact, the taste develops over time. It tastes better when you eat it after 1 or 2 hours. The ideal accompaniment for this would be some fried papads or vadiams or wafers, as you call it. You can enjoy it like that. So please share your experience with me on Geeta's Kitchen, and do subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen for more such easy, tasty recipes. Thank you.